AI Saas Builder. Hey guys, hope you're all okay, and in this video I'll be giving you a detailed demo on AI Saas Builder. And right now I am inside the members area, and as you can see over here we can see the number of activities that we have dealt with. So total number of traffic, total number of created sites, total number of users, recent stats right over here, and we have got recent added users and latest created sites, and we have got latest user traffic with their details right over here on which specific website that you're getting that traffic will be also shown right over here. So on the top right hand side you get to access your bonuses. You've got your training videos right over here, and you can get started by creating AI platforms from here or from the left hand side over here. And we've got so many things that we need to cover in this video, so stay tuned till the end of this video for your better understanding on the product side. So we'll get started on creating the platform. So you can click on create AI platform either from here, or you can get started by clicking on this from here. So we'll just get started by clicking on this create AI platform and then create. So you need to click on this plus button right over here, and then you'll be greeted with this screen right over here which says create a site, develop your own website in 3 simple steps. So you need to name your website right over here. So you need to enter a title. So I'm just going to put a title right over here which is AI Tools Shop, and you can give a brief or detailed description depending on whatever information that you want to put right over here. So I'm just doing this for a demo purpose, so I'm just going to keep it brief. So AI Tools Shop will help you find the right tool to access your daily AI needs and AI requirements. So you can detail that as much as you want to. So the pricing, I'm just gonna keep that as $17, and you can enable the lead generation. So if you have got your own autoresponder, you need to sync in with this, and then you need to create a specific SMTP on where you want to capture your leads. So I'm just gonna leave it for now, and I'll show that to you in the later stage over this video. So all you have to do is now click continue, and once you click on continue you need to select the domain type. I'm going to be using the internal domain, so I'm just going to keep that on the subdomain section right over here. And then we have got the subdomain that you want to keep that as I'll just keep that as AI Tools Shop as the name that we gave earlier in step 1, as you can see over here. So AI Tools Shop, continue, and create a subdomain, then AI Tools Shop. If you have got your PayPal client ID, you can put that over here, and if you have got a logo, you can just drop your logo right over here. So I'm just gonna drop this logo right over here, and it's gonna be asking for your bookshot image, so I will just keep that as this image right over here as bookshot image. And then again you've got your primary color on whatever color that you want to use on the website, and secondary color whatever color that you want to use on your website. So you can put in your color codes. If you have a specific color code on that, it will just identify it immediately. And then we have got the site selection. We have got two site selections. I find this pattern interesting, and I personally like this one. So whichever one you want to get started with, you can. I'm going to select this for now and hit continue. And once I hit continue, I will be given a specific back-end username, password, and email to access the backend. And there are two backends that we need to access rather, and I'll show that to you at a later stage. So moving forward now, all you have to do is click on submit to complete the third criteria of this video. All you have to do is hit submit, and once that is done, as you can see over here, it's been success and your site has been created successfully. It will now be ready in 10 minutes. So it usually is immediately ready, and all you have to do is just click OK. And as you can see over here, the domain AI Tools Shop has been booked for you, and your website is now ready. You can share that on different platforms, and you've got your admin access, which we'll be accessing in a moment. And then we have got the site details right over here. So we've got site URL, you've got your user usage and the user count, and if you want to delete this, you can. So I'll go to the site right over here. So all you have to do is just click on this, and once you click on that, it will take you to your website right over here. And we will be getting a pop-up over here where you can put your username, your name rather, and your email address. So I'm just going to be putting a test email address over here so that it captures the email at the back end. And test 1 2 3 4 at test1234.com. Okay, and now this is the website this is the logo that we generated, and this is the website that we actually created. So brilliant way to create a website, and this is all ready to use, good to go website. Everything is obviously there for your perusal, and everything is installed already, pre-installed for you. You can make all the possible changes on this website as you like, and as you can see over here, it is all pre-loaded and everything is done for you. So you can, all you have to do is just have your logo, your bookmark, and then a video to get started with, and you can do all the changes on Earth on these functionalities right away. So to access the backend, now all you have to do is just click on the actions, and whatever you're saving will be saved in this list section right over here. So if I click on this settings, and if I click on this over here, it will give me access to the backend. And when I put this email address right over here and the password right over here, I get access to the backend right over here, and I can manage users. If I want to add another user, I create another user right over here, and if I want to put in a username, and I just put in the username, and I just create another user, and by putting that details, I've already created another user with that specific email at the back end. And again, you can add advertisings, you can add banner ads, you can put that on the header, on the footer. If you have got the details in, you just put in the file details on the banner, and all the information will be ready to be accessed on your website on this one. You've got your payment configuration, you've got your PayPal key right over here. You can configure PayPal with the backend, and you've got your lead magnet right over here. So whatever leads that you have captured are going to be listed right over here, and you can then use the autoresponder right over here to send emails on that specific email list that you have captured. And you can view your leads, and then you can start sending emails from here to that specific list with a subject. And then you have got a page builder where you can change the ins and outs, as I've shown you, as I've told you earlier. If you want to change any of these, you can get started by changing all these things right over here. So for instance, if you want to put in like whatever changes that you want to put, say about ChatGPT 4.0 or ChatGPT whatever, and then if you want to put like get 300 plus instead of 200, if you want to make that it's to be changed to 300 plus, you can just put that to 300 plus premium apps. And whatever changes that you're making, you can actually save that. And for example, right over here it's showing us 200, and now if I refresh this page, it will get that change to 300, as you can see over here in real time. Guys, I'm showing this to you in real time. So as you can see, whatever changes that you're making right over here, I'm just showing this to you in real time, because you know where to go and what specific changes to make on that specific option. And same vice versa, you can access the entire page from top to bottom and do whatever changes that you want to on a specific page. So you've got tons and tons of pages right over here, and posts and pricings and internal stuff, testimonials, whatever you want to capture, banner ads, header footers, disclaimers, GDPR regulations, and whatever that you want to make changes to, you can make changes to from inside the backend access. And there is another backend access where you can put your own banner right over here. You can add in so many functionalities right over here. For instance, you can add Amazon product descriptions, Amazon product features, we've got 300 plus tools that you are getting right over here, 200 plus tools that you are actually getting right over here. I'll just make this to the original number, that it was 200 tools that you are getting on this. So if you are giving this to your clients, to your customers, and if you are selling this product, because this is a white label product, so you will be offering this to your clients, to your customers. So these, let me just refresh this back to the original form, or to its original form. So yeah, 200 premium AI business tools. So right over here, as you can see, the list just goes on. It's a massive 200 plus list right over here. Yeah, so you will be offering plus the so you will be offering your customers all these tools, and you can place your banner right over here, and you've got your Amazon product description, Amazon features, answers. You can just search over here, YouTube descriptions, whatever you're searching for will be right over here. It's got Fiverr as well. So you've got your Fiverr, You've got your Fiverr gigs as well that you can access. So Fiverr gig creator, and you've got YouTube. Let's see, YouTube related stuff. So you've got your YouTube descriptions, YouTube outlines, YouTube titles, video, you generate YouTube video hooks. You've got your complete YouTube video generator that can be accessed. So there's so many things that you can get started with, and you can access Amazon related stuff, company vision, content rephrase, content shorten, definition, emails, Facebook ads, Google ads titles. You've got Instagram captions, hashtags, LinkedIn related stuff, Quora related stuff, SEO related stuff, testimonials, Twitter related stuff, YouTube again. You've got a lot more than one actually requires as a content creator. So the product is absolutely massive, really vast, and will generate you a running source of income moving forward. And we have got one-click generator right over here, and with that you've got your projects that you can add in your projects right over here. You've got your project list, whatever projects that you're saving is going to be listed right over here. And you've got your documents right over here. You've got your images right over here. You've got your prompt generator. So you just need to put in a prompt and generate, and all your prompts are going to be generated right over here. You've got your list, whatever prompts that you have saved are going to be listed right over here. You've got your open editor, so whatever you want to edit you can put that down. You've got your list again for that. You've got your chatbot right over here, so whatever chatbot that you want to have on your specific website, you can put that, you can name that, and you can place that in a position where you want it, on the right hand side or on the left hand side. You've got your chatbot list right over here, advertises right over here. You've got your background remover, and then the login logout button. So a lot more than one actually needs on their website. And I'm going back to the main website right now, and then the next part right over here is the logo creator. So all you have to do is just click on create AI logo and create a logo. And once I click on create a logo, I've got a keyword that I can put. I'm just gonna keep it succinct. I'm just gonna put that as Viking Man, and whatever is getting generated right over here is specific just to you. And right over here, if you want to put a negative text for the image, you can. I'm just going to keep it brief, and yeah, brilliant. So Viking Man, I've just put a Viking Man, a brilliant image of Viking Man. I'm just going to save that to the gallery, or you can download that onto your system. So once you have saved that, right over here, I mean, if you want to create another so Viking Man in his hut. So the more detail the prompt, the better the image. If you're giving a if you're giving a brief prompt, not a detailed one, then it's going to be a brief one. And if it's the more the detail, the you can see the detail in the image, basically is what I mean. So moving forward to the next one, it's the platform user management. So you can add users as I've shown you earlier. So for instance, for this particular website, if you want to add a user, so just put that give that a username, and give that a name, a username and email, and then the password. And that will create a user right over here for that specific user. So you can delete and you can add users from here. The next one is traffic stats. Now, for the traffic on a specific website, from wherever you're getting the traffic, it'll show you from wherever you're getting the traffic right over here in the traffic stats section. Email automation is again like you can get started with the email automation if you add your list, like for the lead management in this one, and you can actually get started with automating your emails. So for instance, you've got sample emails right over here that you could promote with your affiliate link, and obviously this will generate a passive source of income for you, and you can get started by adding that onto your list from this particular section. So for lead management, first things first, we need to put an auto responder over here, so you can actually add n number of autoresponders. You've got Aweber, iContact, SendPulse, Active Campaigns, you've got SendLane API, you've got GetResponse, you've got MailChimp, MailerLite, Sendinblue, MailWiz, SLA, Sendio. So tons and tons of options for you. You can sync in whatever email subscription you have with other users and then use AI Saas Builder as your autoresponder. It will act as your autoresponder. So once you sync in the details of any of these autoresponders, you can just generate a list in this email section, and you can activate automation, and once that is done, you can start sending emails. Done for your edition is everything will be done for you in this particular edition, and you've got open AI key right over here, so you can put in the client ID and you can then save that right over here. You've got your offers and swipes. You can actually access any of the documents from here and start sending emails. Basically, you need to apply for your affiliate link right over here. So once you get your affiliate link, you can earn 50% commissions on whatever you're basically selling on all these emails basically. So you've got your JV doc over here, you've got your email swipes right over here, so you can use all these emails and put your email, your affiliate link right over here in this particular section, and then you can send emails and earn commissions. Agency users, you can add agency users, a number of users you want to. So whatever users that you want to add, you can add that particular user right over here, and once that is added, then you can create a user right over here. So as I've shown you earlier basically. So that is the agency user. You've got your resellers addition right over here. You've got your logo anonymizer. This is another addition to that, and you've got your Creative Suite AI, email support, help desk, and login logout from here. So we've covered all the sections now, and back to dashboard right over here. So whatever you have created is going to be listed right over here in this particular section, and as you can see over here, the number of recent added users and the number of the website that we have created, and we have got the details right over here, and the training will be listed right over here for you guys. And yeah, you can log out from this particular section right over here. So that's it for today, and thank you for staying tuned till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've covered the main topics on the back end of your website and how to make changes on the website, and I have covered the back end on how to add these tools and these tools as the back end on the websites that you will be pushing forward or selling it to your clients as a white label owner. So that covers it all, and here we are back to the Saas Builder, AI Saas Builder. Thank you for staying tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, have a good one, and I'll see you in my next one. Cheers. Bye for now.